Hello everyone, today is 12th January and today I am going to update you about the spinach and the red spinach plants. Before I have shown you that there were small plants and right now they have grown up all. This is the spinach plant, this is the red spinach plant, red spinach. They are all like covered in every place. I don't know how to describe this. Yeah, like the number of plant I have planted, like 25% of them have shown up, and I think within the next 3 to 4 days it will be all covered. I will update you at that point of time, but right now, yeah, this is the growth. Previously showed you that there was only one plant, and right now, like you can see, like all are partially covered. So yeah, this is what it is, and this is the newly growing plant. Okay, this is a new channel I have opened, so if you subscribe and give it a like, then it will be very helpful for me. So thank you and love you all.